We measured the induction range reliability based on 33,190 service calls we logged last year. We take those calls, divide them by what we sold, and that's the service rate. It's accurate because we service what we sell free for the first year. Year one matters because that's when most problems show up. We're gonna count down number 4 to number 1 because you're not gonna believe the most reliable induction range you can buy, because I didn't. Here's why this surprised me. Cafe has more going on than anything else on this list. An induction top with a bridge element and a power burner, and the only double range in the countdown. 2 cavities, 2 temperatures at once. More features means more to break. That's usually how this works. A double oven alone is 2 of everything, and Cafe came in above average. For range with this much in it, average is exceptional. Here's the part that matters most. When something does go wrong, and eventually everything needs service, Cafe is backed by GE, one of the biggest service networks in the country. Most places you buy an appliance don't have their own service department. So if that's you, GE is a good option to consider. If Cafe surprised you, profile is the same surprise without the extras. Same induction top, the griddle burner, power burner, identical. What you give up is the double oven and the color choices. In return, you get 1 solid oven and a storage drawer underneath. Here's what surprised me. Profile service rate wasn't that much better than Cafe, even with 1 less oven. I expected a bigger gap, yet it's close. But if you want a straightforward induction range, Profile's a good choice. And like Cafe, if something breaks, GE can get someone out there to fix it. Number 2, Bosch benchmark. Before you rush out to buy a Bosch for reliability, know this. The regular freestanding Bosch is a different range, built by Smeg in Italy, smaller, fewer features. Benchmark is built by Bosch in North Carolina. It's a far more reliable range. That's why it's number 2 on this list. The Benchmark is a slide-in. It sits over the counter, so there's no gap on either side, where everything you spill disappears. Cleaner look, easier to clean, costs the same as the freestanding one. It's one of the only ranges also with a warming drawer underneath. That's a $1,500 feature on its own. And you can hold a finished dish up to 3 hours without drying it out the way a microwave would. Bosch also makes very reliable induction products. Their cooktops are the most reliable you can buy, and that carries through here. Number 1, and you're not going to believe it because I originally didn't, it's LG. You thought they were a laundry company. Now everyone reads reviews, go to Reddit, and everyone hates LG, but LG sells millions of appliances. I give them credit for starting a service department, though it's not built to handle the volume of a brand that size just yet. But the actual service rate on the ranges we sell and fix ourselves is the lowest in this list. 4.6% to be exact. Here's why. LG makes more of its core components than any other brand. You're not buying conductors and boards from someone else and bolting them in. They build them. That kind of control really helps reliability. There are 2 popular LGs. The Studio gives you the InstaView door, knock twice, so you see inside, plus a griddle element. The standard LG skips both and costs less. Both have the same 4,300 watt power burner. That's 500 watts more than the average induction burner, which sits around 3,700. But one thing, check who services it in your area before you buy. So that's the top 4, Cafe and GE Profile. Average rates backed by one of the biggest service networks in the country. Bosch Benchmark, the one Bosch actually builds, and LG at number 1, the lowest service rate of any induction range we sell. Every induction range, like any appliance on this list, will need service eventually. It's how we log 33,000 service calls a year just across New England. So before you buy an induction range anywhere, ask who fixes it when it breaks. If you want to see the best induction ranges to buy, not just the most reliable, click this video, and thanks for watching.